see the chariot there? We onto it. All praises to Yahweh Hashem Shai, the one to all the elders and the apostles of great most done. Salutations to all the sincere outcast. Yeah, man, so yeah, the angels are always up there, as we know. Kala Yahweh Hashem Shai, and Marakab them, which means chariots in Hebrew. You know, watching the sinful kingdom. Yeah, you know that's my thing, man. I can watch the chariots in their flow, in mid flow, doing their thing. Especially the bell color, one of my favorite colors. So yeah, we've got the judgments going on right now, man. I'm just watching the news. Fire, heat waves and fires over there in Greece and in Turkey, burning up the agriculture, farmland, burning up their animals, their pets, their dogs, their cows, their sheep, all their farm animals, man. That's their business, that's their livelihood, and they're getting it, man. One of the last videos I did was the fires over there in it was Turkey, and also you got the judgments, the high-speed train crash over there in the Czechoslovakia. The death count must have gone up since I last done that video. It was 3, probably gone up more than that now, and the injured and the wounded. Yeah, so you've been warned. You wicked. You can't say you haven't been warned, man. The prophets have always been warning from before I was in this truth, man. Over 35 years, the prophets have been shouting out, crying out. Proverbs chapter 1 and 20, crying out in the streets. Wisdom crieth out in the streets. So you cannot say you're being warned. Now they're circulating that pandemic even more, trying to take the age down lower from 17. It was 17, under 18. Now it's 7, then it went down to 17. Then you don't need permission if it's 16, I think it was. Now they want to go to the young little 5-year-olds and they are disgusting, man. So you think the Most High is on his way? He's on his way, man. Your whole way, Yahushua is on his way. Is it Malachi chapter 2 and 4? Yahuwah is on his way with healing in his wings and going to bring judgment and fill this place with dead bodies. Psalms 110. And yeah, he's a consuming fire. That's why you're hearing about all these fires all around the world. Turkey, Greece, California, over 200 fires, and people are getting burnt up their houses and they're becoming homeless. Extreme fires burning up hundreds and thousands of acres. People are getting it. Judgments are going out like hotcakes. Every morning does he bring his judgments to light on the iniquity. Zephaniah 3 and 5. So we see in the chariots, we know they're doing their thing, man. Every morning does he bring his judgment to light, and he's watching the sinful kingdom. And yeah, the Marakab then, yeah, do your thing, man. That's all I can say. The other day I had to put up some heavy curses on this place, man, and yes, it's good to see them people getting their just desserts, 110%, because they deserve it. So yeah, man, this is just a little part to giving all praises to Yahweh Hashem Messiah for bringing me into this truth and opening the eyes, soul, boosting up our faith, letting us see the results of the prophecies going out via Matthew, Mark, Luke and John, what the Most High Yahushua said would happen, all to strengthen our faith. So Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushua, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushua. The angels are doing their thing. Judgments going out left, right and center. All praises. Kala Yahweh Ba'ashim Yahushua. Shalom. and double honors to all the elders and the apostles of Great Mill Psalm for teaching us this truth. And yes, the house of David is rising, and everything the wicked have done to us, past, present, and future, is falling upon their own head. We out.